From stocks to gold, a rollover plan that works. Shifting retirement funds from stocks to gold has become a strategic option for investors seeking protection against volatility. While equities can deliver growth, they are often vulnerable to downturns and inflation. A rollover plan into gold offers stability, diversification, and a hedge against economic uncertainty. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why move from stocks to gold? 1. Protection from market swings. Stock values fluctuate with economic cycles, while gold historically maintains strength during turbulence. 2. Preservation of wealth. Unlike paper assets, gold safeguards purchasing power against inflation and currency devaluation. 3. Portfolio diversification. Adding physical gold reduces overexposure to equities and balances long-term risk. Steps for a rollover plan that works. 1. Review current holdings. Decide what portion of your savings to shift. Many experts suggest 10% to 25% in gold. 2. Choose a self-directed IRA. This structure allows direct investment in physical gold, rather than paper-backed alternatives. 3. Select a custodian and dealer. Work only with IRS-approved custodians and reputable gold dealers to ensure compliance and authenticity. 4. Execute the rollover. Transfer funds from your 401k or IRA directly to avoid taxes and penalties. A direct rollover is the simplest path. 5. Secure proper storage. Your gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, either segregated or commingled, depending on your preference. Key considerations. 1. Costs. Be mindful of fees for storage, custodianship, and dealer markups. 2. Liquidity. Ensure holdings are in forms that can be easily sold when needed. 3. Balance. Gold complements, not replaces, other investments. Transitioning from stocks to gold through a rollover plan is a practical way to fortify retirement savings. By selecting the right IRA, trusted partners, and safe storage, investors gain a hedge against inflation while maintaining portfolio strength. In today's uncertain climate, rolling over to gold is more than a defensive move, it is a timeless strategy for lasting financial security. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.